Since time immemorial, mushrooms have captured the curiosity and palate of humanity. These unique inhabitants of the fungi kingdom have been present in both nature and culture, leaving a profound mark on the history of food, medicine, and tradition. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of mushrooms, exploring their history, astonishing health benefits, and the creativity they inspire in the kitchen. Additionally, we invite you to discover a special place where mushrooms take center stage, Cantina 33, featuring the always surprising recommendations from Sonny Montero. To understand the importance of mushrooms, it is essential to look back at their origins. Long before modern supermarkets or sophisticated restaurants existed, fungi were already a part of the diet of various civilizations. In ancient China, for example, mushrooms were not just considered a food item, but also a health and longevity elixir. Emperors and nobility reserved them for special banquets, while traditional doctors used them in remedies to strengthen the body and spirit. In Egypt, pharaohs regarded mushrooms as a delicacy fit only for royalty, attributing almost magical properties to them. However, it was in France during the 17th century that the systematic cultivation of the Paris mushroom, scientifically known as Agaricus bisporus, began. A French gardener, intrigued by the ability of these fungi to grow in darkness and absorb nutrients from the substrate, developed techniques for cultivating them in underground cellars. This gave rise to the tradition of champignonnières, spaces dedicated exclusively to mushroom production, which soon spread throughout Europe. Since then, mushrooms have transformed from a luxury reserved for a few into an accessible and valued ingredient worldwide. In addition to their rich and varied history, mushrooms stand out for their remarkable health benefits. They are a natural source of essential nutrients while being low in calories. Their high fiber content promotes digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, making them ideal allies for those looking to manage their diet. The B vitamins they contain, such as riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, are crucial for energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Another of the nutritional treasures of mushrooms is selenium, a mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect cells from oxidative damage and strengthens the immune system, aiding in disease prevention and keeping us healthy. Additionally, mushrooms contain bioactive compounds such as ergothioneine and beta-glucans, which have shown positive effects on blood sugar regulation and cholesterol reduction. To top it off, their protein content makes them an excellent choice for vegetarian and vegan diets, adding texture and flavor to a wide variety of dishes. The versatility of mushrooms in the kitchen is undoubtedly one of their greatest appeals. Their mild yet distinctive flavor, with earthy and umami notes, makes them perfect for pairing with a multitude of ingredients. From fresh salads to comforting stews, mushrooms can be the stars or supporting players in both traditional and innovative recipes. One of the most popular preparations is mushroom risotto, a creamy and aromatic dish that highlights the richness of these fungi in every bite. They are also ideal for stuffing, baking, or quickly sautéing, while retaining their juicy texture and unmistakable flavor. If you've ever tried a freshly baked pizza topped with fresh mushrooms, you know that their presence can transform a simple dish into a memorable experience. But don't limit yourself to just classic recipes. Mushrooms can be incorporated into sauces, omelets, empanadas, and even creative desserts for those daring enough to experiment. Their ability to absorb and enhance the flavors of other ingredients makes them an indispensable wildcard in any kitchen, from the homiest to the most gourmet. For those who want to enjoy the best of mushrooms without having to cook, there is a special place where these fungi take center stage, Cantina 33. This cozy space has masterfully combined tradition and innovation in each of its dishes, offering a unique culinary experience for mushroom lovers and food enthusiasts alike. At Cantina 33, the atmosphere invites you to relax and immerse yourself in the aromas and flavors that emerge from the kitchen, where mushrooms are featured in surprising and delicious forms. When visiting Cantina 33, you can't miss asking for Sonny Montero's special recommendation. This passionate chef has made creativity his personal trademark, delighting diners with unexpected combinations and presentations that awaken all the senses. From light appetizers to flavor-packed main courses, Sonny Montero knows how to highlight the unique qualities of mushrooms, creating recipes that captivate both long-time mushroom enthusiasts and those discovering them for the first time. So the next time you think about preparing a special meal, or simply want to treat yourself to a healthy and delicious dish, remember the potential of mushrooms. Whether you incorporate them into your daily menu, use them as a star ingredient in a special dinner, or let yourself be surprised by the creations of Cantina 33 and Sonny Montero, you'll be opting for a nutritious, versatile option that is rich in history. In short, mushrooms are much more than just a simple garnish. They are a true gift from nature that has accompanied humanity throughout the centuries. Their history, benefits, and ability to inspire creativity in the kitchen make them an essential ingredient for those seeking flavor, health, and tradition in every bite. What about you? What is your favorite way to enjoy mushrooms? Feel free to discover new recipes. Try places like Cantina 33 and experiment with this wonderful fungus in your daily life, because within each mushroom lies a story, a benefit, and an opportunity to surprise your palate.